Welcome to a showcase of the incredible potential of rammed earth construction built by our students. These stunning walls were built by students who received online or hands-on training from rammed earth professionals with years of knowledge. By transferring this experience to our students, we ensure a continuity of this time-honored art of building beautiful walls is sustained well into the future. From understanding the science behind the materials to mastering technique, each student has transformed raw earth into something lasting, functional, and monumental. Training with master builders ignites the imagination to create something uniquely enduring, each as individual as the person that builds it. These walls stand as a testament to what's possible when passion, craftsmanship, and good training combine. Every project is an opportunity to share symbols of human optimism into the environment and the broader community. Get inspired by what others have done. Join us to learn how you can be part of the next generation of rammed earth builders. Subscribe to our channel for videos on upcoming workshops and other fascinating projects.